line got a boat, it's just about time to head on out to my favorite spot. It's just about.
Welcome back. Welcome back to Ensign Way. Both rods are out. I've got run and ledger, 5 ounce. Oh, is that a bite? 5 ounce pyramid lead, rag ram on the left rod. Right rod, we got dongle rig, bluey and razor clam, 6 ounce gripper. I want to catch a bass. The brother-in-law had that nice bass up here last week or the week before. So I want to get one. Oh, is that a bite or not? I'm only on my first cast, so hoping for a bass or a ray. I don't know if the rays come up here. I think they might. Hoping to find out today. High tide's in 2 hours. Let's have a look. Right, hang on a minute. I've lost me apps. There they are. Got a northeasterly. There's not much of it anyway. It's only like 8 miles an hour or something. Hardly anything. Well, the rods have been in for about 10 minutes. I've got plenty of bait. I'm going to change every 20 minutes today. 15-20 minutes. What do you think of the new hat? Whoop, whoop. That's it. Alright. Just going to have a look at this right hand rod because it's doing some weird stuff. Might be a fish on that. This is just pulling through soft mud. Give that a minute because it's not like a bite I've ever had before, so I don't know. Well, I'm not even going to say it might be a ray. I ain't got a bloody clue. Surely he ain't targeting a ray and got one on his first cast. Come on. Ooh. Ah, that was the birds. Tick, tick, tick. Nah, it's nice and light, nothing on it. I'm baiting up rigs in advance to try and save time. So we've got running ledger, plenty of bling, rag ram, tipped for a squid. Right, show you what baits I made up last night. Just some wraps. So I've got plenty of rag. I've got 10's worth there, 15 quid's worth in the cool box, and some spare razor, spare sardine, all sorts of wraps, mackerel, bluey and squid. Bluey and razor, mackerel and razor, mackerel and bluey, bit of squid, mussels, razor and mussels, all sorts. So we got a bit of everything. Right, like I say, I'm hoping for a bass, a school bass, any bass will do, or a ray. I'd love to have a ray, but I don't think this is the best spot for it. But we're a bit short on time getting it, so we come somewhere easy, park easy and walk down. It takes 2 minutes to walk here from the car. Alright, dingle dangle dongle rig, bluey, mussels, Morrison's finest mussels. Send it out. Got an hour till high tide, so bit of time yet. Ooh, nearly threw the rod in. Hooked But grips are set. Set the drag. It's a bit early for a smoothie, but you'll never know your luck. Right, come on fish. Oh, I'm going to bring in the running ledger, change that to a pulley. Not having anything. It's weird. Tide should be going to the right, but it's pulled the lead round to the left. Alright. Right. Got 2.5, 3 foot pulley. Little rag ram. It's not a big hook. Not sure what size it is. Might be a size 2 or something. $60 yards. Set the grips. Right, we are fishing. Well, I'll bring it back in a bit. The sun is shining, the fishing is shite, yeah. Oh, it's as dead as a dead thing. That's what it is. It's as dead as a dead thing. I think I had a bite earlier. It was actually taking it took a bit of line. I left it and nothing come of it. So it must have been it was either a bit of weed caught it in the tide, but I think it was a bite. That was on the pulley rig with ragram. They've not had nothing down there. Old doggy Dawkins, he ain't had nothing. Oh, the sun's nice, but it's warm enough. It's just that bloody sun, it needs to go behind a cloud. I think that might be messing the fishing up a bit. I don't understand why the tide should be going to the... Well, I'm saying that slack tide now, but for the last hour, the leads have been going to the left when the tide's been going to the right. So I'm not quite sure what's happening there. Still, got plenty of time. Keep going, keep trying. It's all you can do. It's not all about the fish, catching the fish. Right. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. I think it might be the hat. I think the hat's scaring the fish off. It's too bright for him, I think. Right, bring it back a bit. Right, I've changed the bait on the dongle rig. Put a squid head on, pop the eyes, all the black stuff's coming out. I'm not going to cast it far. I mean, I'm having nothing out as far as I can get it, so I'm just going to flick this one in a bit closer. That's not far at all. 30 yards, 40 yards. Yeah, this has been, I'm used to these sessions, but this has been really quiet. 6 rods, 8 rods altogether, not a bite. Right, hopefully they want the squid. Bring it back. Just had a rebait up on the pulley rig. Put a couple of big fresh mackerel on there. Rag ram. Give them a bit of a spray with Dave's special sauce. First time I've used it today, so if I catch a fish on it, then it definitely works. Well, I think it works anyway, because everyone's got good things to say about it. So, and there has been times when I've been blanking, put that on, and caught a couple of fish. One of which was the flounder. Still not a bite. Tried all sorts, different rigs, different distances, different baits. Nothing. I think they've only got like flapper rigs on. I was going to put a flapper on, but they ain't had no bites on them anyway, so just going to leave it as it is for now. They're only using ragworm. So yeah, it's going to be. Well, I've got a few hours yet. If it don't happen soon, I'll do the fish dance. That's bound to draw them over. Right. Bait change number 476 of the day, and still no bites. Bit of weed, I reckon. Feels like I've got a bit of weed or something on there. I'll put some new worms on. I didn't use the bait needle. I've sort of put them on a bit loose. So all the tails are hanging off. See if it don't give a bit more wriggling for a bit more attracting. I'm going to try a different bait. I picked it up from the supermarket. I was watching a YouTube channel and they said you can get loads of different baits from the supermarket. Fillet of Maryland cookie. Not had any bite. I've had loads of bites on it because every time I reel it in it's not there, so obviously something's eating it. But yeah, that's what I'm using. And I'll get that one out. And see how we get on with it. A massive drop back. Left it a while. And I was up there talking to the father-in-law. See the rod shooter. Went down, shot back. Ran up, left it. It was bringing the lid towards me, so I hit it and it was on, and then it was off. Gutted. Took my breath away. We've done 6.5 hours. Lost one fish. The only bite, and I lost it. And it was on the Maryland cookies. Alright, yeah. Right, I'm going to go home, get some beer, drown my sorrows, try some drinks.